Welcome guys, welcome to today's our Minecraft. But today we are not going to make a video about survival or creative or anything else. Today I have a promise. Is in the before video I had to say I will teach you guys how to download the modes or somewhere else. If you do that, you download this T launchers. Actually, always using in the MX. Why? Because the MX is a special. If you don't want wasting money, no, it's not like the MX or Windows or something computers. It's if you don't want to use your money, you can use in Windows computer. Or if you're using the MX, it will download you 3 types of computer. One's Windows, one's MX, and one's another. I don't know what type of it. But just press the Windows one. Don't press the MX. What it will say is come from the did not know author. No, it's the creator. And it will not let you download. If you press Windows, you can successfully download it. And today, you cannot usually do like go into the server or go into the Google, the website to download. Oh, usually you cannot even download the modes. Actually, the T launcher can already get some modes, but not all of them into this game. So today I will teach you guys how to do that and how to use it. First, here, the T launcher modes. You will see here where you're present. Wait, is that bug? Oh yeah. It's getting present. Okay. Now when you guys present in this map, you see much of it. See it? Much of it. It's most resource pack maps. Wait, what maps? Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's maps. If you have this map, oh yeah, usually you can play them. Oh, resource packs. Those are all the kind of resource packs. You guys can download it and use it. Modes. I don't know what those are, but those are yeah, backpacks and some other type of things. But mode packs. If you see that, you will see each of the mode packs on the wheel have this green. And this, you guys do not know what it is, but in the English, it means setting. If you press it down, it's going to working when the blue is disappeared. You will see here, that name. When I download, its name was the Richard 0512 weather mode, maybe. And here comes the Richard 0512 weather mode, and it comes down. When you press start the game, which is this is start the game, you can play that mode, and you don't need to worry about anything. I will show you guys, and wait a second. I need to small the screener because those are, oh yeah, that's what it is. Just a trash, okay? That's just trash. Don't care of that, okay? Let's wait for a big moment time. Usually I was using these things. If you have downloaded T launchers, you need to using these things. I will teach you guys how to download the T launchers, and you guys will know it. Guys, don't mind of that because I need to change this screen. Now let's go to the single player. Here's no more world, multiplayer, no more world. You guys know how to create a world. More survival, more world options, type default, super flat, large biomes, infinite, default, or super. Those all you can do. What is the meaning of general structures on? It means villages, dungeons, which is meaning of nether. If you don't let it on, what happened it will be. Did you know what happened? You will never find any villages or go into the nether anytime if you press it off. Elo cheat, you guys know it. Bonus chest, you guys know it. Done game mode survival. No, I will do in the creative and I will let you guys see what this world is all about. The modes, some things, everything's. So in this video, just like we're showing a kind of mode and how to download it and let's play for a second. Now, materials, wait, what is it? Materials and you, volume 1, 4115 by Skylar. Material and you, surviving the first day and beyond, volume 1 by Skylar. Getting started, receive armor morpher. I don't read so much. You guys could go and watch it. Let's go to see this. Oh, I don't open this book. Apples, words, planks, windows. Did you see here? That's so good. Yeah, it has more weapon. Wait. What is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, that's so much. I need to pick a time and play this mode to you guys. In next video, I must need to play this mode. This has too much weapons. Rapier, long sword, slime dagger, cutlass. Ooh, frying pan. What is it? What happened? So, if you guys see here, you can go press here. Ooh, backpacks. Tools. Let's see. Flint. Cactus.
What's this?
Look. Ooh, that's so much. Did you guys see it so much? And it has more damages. Let's see if there's over 20 damage. I did not even see one of them. So the red matter is still the strongest. Wait, let's see how to make this. Wait, let's see how to make this one. I don't know how to make. Shh. Somebody distracting me and he's a distractor.
I don't want to say it.
Shh. Stop.
But
stop. Just stop. Please stop.
Okay.
You always say the bad word.
No.
Yes, you are. You say the female dogs on my ears. That is a bad word forever. It's a spell like B-I-T, and I don't know how to spell that word, and H. And you guys will know what is it.
Terry.
Stop.
Whatever.
Stop telling. Stop. Jeff, stop. Stop. I will show them. No, but.
It's John Cena. Okay.
No, stop it.
Okay.
That's not John Cena.
Okay. But I want to say it sounds different. You can't use the R.
So what button I need to use it? What?
You can do anything because it's not just like the mode we just played.
No, it is like.
How?
Receive.
I am telling.
No, you cannot tell me.
Okay, bye.
Wait, what about the backpacks? What the? Did you guys see it? I do this and nothing. Chest done. Done. Wait. Okay. What the? Wait. Nothing worked. That's me. No. I cannot play this mode. Sorry. Even the modes look so great. But today you guys know how to download them. Stop. Oh, yeah, this is 1.7.10. Oh. And now, let's post the video if you like it. And now, look, if we open that construction, you will find this. And if it doesn't open it, you will never find one of them here. You will just, empty.
Stop singing.
Wait.
Bruh, look at it, dude. You can't trade it.
Yeah, iron or berry.
Bruh, look at it, dude.
You look so ugly. I want to kill you.
Food.
Bye.
Bruh.
Goodbye. I don't love you. You are like a
So how about the weather?
weather.
Yeah, where's the weather?
Wait, what is it?
What about?
What is this? The new download?
I don't know what it. But what about weather? It said about weather, please.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the weather. Sorry.
Yeah, I told you so much time, and you.
So I don't know what weather. Turn rains on.
Click.
Oh yeah, weather reflect. Today I must need to show all of them.
But what is it? The little dot.
I don't care of that.
But we don't know what's the little dot.
Let's do first tornado sensor.
Wait, long press it.
What's
Or you. Wow, something great is going to happen. Hey Terry, let's see the sky.
Let's post the video for. Welcome guys. Me and my brother figured out what is it. I put any blocks on it. It's very special. First it is the rain. Rain's not very special. Let's put some blocks at here. Tornado sensor. Now let's turn next one. Lightning. You guys know what is lightning? Lightning, high wind.
Let's see what's high wind. Oh me.
I will attack you in your face. Attack. Ugh. Whatever. The high wind is not very interesting about. So let's do next. Hail. What is it? Oops. You know what is a hail it is? Tornado. The blocks. No, stop.
Except this one. Oh man. Oh no.
No.
Okay.
And then tropical cyclone. No, I need to run away from that.
Oh shit, dude.
No. Game mode 0. Game mode. No, I'm going to be getting blown away. So if you guys love this video, press say subscribe and like it. So you guys are not made to hand it.
What is it?
Wait a minute. Oh, many things. Whatever. Bye.